This diagram shows the intersection of four major disciplines: AI, coding, consulting, and product. This specific overlap defines the most highly demanded role in modern tech, the AI forward-deployed engineer. This timeline shows exactly why this demand spiked. In 2023, LLMs proved their capabilities, but as startups rushed to sell these models to massive enterprises, they hit a wall. Traditional companies have messy, legacy data systems that out-of-the-box AI simply cannot navigate without a specialized guide on the ground. This role breakdown highlights the direct answer to that deployment gap. An FDE embeds on-site with the client to turn vague business ambiguity into deployed production code. This comparison table shows why standard tech roles struggle here. A software engineer rarely talks directly to clients, and a sales engineer doesn't write production code. The FDE handles the full loop, deploying on client infrastructure and iterating in days. Looking at this core breakdown, you can see the specific skills required to maintain that velocity. Success requires a balance of AI and machine learning, raw coding ability, consulting savvy, and sharp product intuition. FDEs function as the active mechanism that translates raw AI potential into a functional business reality. This pyramid illustrates the holistic skill stack required for the role. You have to build up from base cloud infrastructure and data pipelines through application logic to reach the client relationship layer at the top. This checklist outlines the AI-specific competencies needed for enterprise-grade work. You need to master retrieval-augmented generation architectures and engineer agentic workflows that can reliably use internal tools. These are the engineering tools used to actually deploy those AI features. Proficiency in Python, TypeScript, and Git is mandatory for building the API integrations that make the AI functional. This diagram highlights the soft skills necessary to survive inside a massive corporation. When an executive gives you a vague directive, you use active listening and requirement extraction to define exactly what needs to be built. This funnel visualizes the product management mindset you have to adopt. You push a concept through from a raw hypothesis to a working prototype, test it in a client feedback loop, and ship the final feature. This T-shaped framework shows the ideal candidate profile. You need broad exposure across cloud and product, but you possess a deep technical spike specifically in AI and LLM engineering. This timeline breaks down the high-velocity daily operations of an embedded deployment. Your day moves from morning client stand-ups to debugging agents and prepping demos, ending with live deployment notes. This text details the origins of this workflow. Palantir pioneered this model to embed engineers directly inside defense clients, deliberately stripping out handoffs and rigid sprints to compress months of consulting into mere weeks of working software. This Venn diagram positions your operational reality inside the modern tech ecosystem. You operate at the intersection of revenue-driving sales and technical solutions engineering. This flowchart outlines the standard 6-step engagement loop you execute with every new enterprise client. You drive the process from the initial discovery call to rapid prototyping to the final production handoff. This chart contrasts the questions you must ask against the red flags you have to identify. Success depends on catching fatal project flaws, like undefined approval loops or missing data pipelines, before writing a single line of code. This cycle diagrams the iterative prototyping loop that defines an FDE's velocity. You build, demo, gather feedback, and rebuild, often completing the entire cycle in under 48 hours. This diagram shows the specific engineering required to support an AI agent. You are building the MCP server, the secure link that allows intelligent agents to communicate with rigid legacy systems. This checklist lays out the rules for a successful client demo. To secure a commercial close, you have to prove the solution works on their actual messy data, rather than a clean toy dataset. This matrix maps out how you must navigate corporate politics. You have to align on vision with C-suite executive sponsors while simultaneously diving into architectural details with their internal staff engineers. This grid displays the standard tech stack utilized to scale these deployments. You have to weave together cloud providers, enterprise data warehouses, and DevOps tools to make the AI features robust enough for a live environment. These gauges represent how your work is actually measured. Enterprises track business metrics like time to first demo and actual user adoption rates, rather than the elegance of the underlying code. This roadmap charts the career path from traditional software engineering to the FDE role. By gaining AI exposure and taking on client-facing projects, you build the hybrid profile required for this transition. This chart highlights the companies actively looking for this specific talent profile. From foundational labs to major cloud hyperscalers, the industry is seeking engineers who can deploy these models into real-world enterprise environments. This 90-day sprint plan details your concrete call to action. Spend your first month shipping an LLM app end-to-end, shadow a client-facing engagement in month 2, and lead your own demo cycle in month 3. This manifesto grounds the role in a specific reality. Prompt quality is an engineering outcome. The FDE provides the technical layer necessary to align machine intelligence with human intent.